So hi and assalamualaikum. My name is Wan Afwan Shakim Iwan Azman, number matrix 281606. My role is I am responsible for the project planning, execution, and resource management, and I am the project manager. So hi and very good evening, Doctor. So today me and my group H, named Hornets, gonna explain about our project management. So our project decide to do about the student feedback system. So moving on, I'm gonna introduce my group member, which is the leader is me, Wan Afwan Shakib, Wan Azman, and then my team member is Sakina Betty Abdullah, Yong Bon Kit, Wan Zidane, and Tong Wei Yong. Okay, so I will clarify about the skills and knowledge that our group implements in our project management. So the first skill that our group highlight, which is the communication skills. This skill is very important because to establish open lines of communication between team members, and then to ensure that friendly communication within the team and communications among the team's member is respectful. So the second skills that we apply, which is the time management skills. These skills are also important to ensure the tasks are complete on time and according to the timeline. The third skill is critical thinking skills. So these skills are also important because team leader has critical thinking skill to make the critical decisions within the project development, and team leader can respond quickly and solve the problem effectively. So moving on, so the fourth skill that we implement in our group, which is the cooperation skills. This is because team member can express the ideas, perspective, and experience, and then decide that team member can bring out their own talents, and everyone can contribute in teams. And then the last skills that we implement, which is the leadership skills. This is specific skills that the leader needs because to assign the team member based on their strengths and backgrounds to make sure the job are done correctly. And then leader also must let team members to difficulties that they face along the development of the project. And then the last one is to demonstrate strong teamwork skills within the team itself. So that's all from me. I will invite my friend to continue this presentation. Thank you.
Greetings, Doctor. My name is Tong Wei Yong, and my matrix number is 279932. And my role in this project team is to act as the lead developer, where my responsibility is to lead technical research to determine the best technology for project implementation. Next, I will present about the roles and responsibilities of our project team members. For responsibilities of project team leader is responsible to provide the team with direction and support throughout the project execution. Other than that, team leader is responsible for delegating tasks to every team members. Team leader must also outline the team's objective and tasks that each member is responsible for to help facilitate the project execution. Team leader must also ensure that the agenda is ready and assignments are dedicated to every team members and guide the team through meeting and discussion on topics related to the project. Finally, team leader is responsible to summarize the key meeting outcomes and determine the next steps to be taken after each meeting. As for the responsibilities of project team members, regardless of the roles of the team members, every team members are responsible to actively participate in every activities during the project execution and be an active listener and take notes during the meetings. And also, team members are responsible to complete the tasks and assignments delegated to them. This is the details of the roles and the responsibilities of every team members in our project team. Next, I will present about the agreed upon meeting times of our project team. All team members are gathered and respond on the time that each members are free and suitable to do the meeting. After that, a time where every team members are free is chosen to be the agreed upon meeting times of our project team. This process is really important to make sure that all team members can take part in the meeting and does not feel burdened in doing so. And based on the discussion, the agreed upon meeting times that our team decides to do meeting is at every Thursday on 9:30 p.m. until 10:30 p.m. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My role and responsibility in the team position is I am as the business analyst, which is my responsibility is to access the client requirement to improve service and system. So now I will continue the presentation on agree upon meeting location. Agree upon meeting location refer to what application that our team member agree to discuss the project. So we all agree to have the online meeting using Webex or Google Meet, as some of our team members not yet coming back to campus. Other than that, we also use group WhatsApp to communicate with our team members because it is a good way to ask a question or share some information that we got. Next, team communication. There are three communication that we use. First is online meeting, which is become a standard in our research and preparation projects. It is to maximize the depth, reaches, and effectiveness of our communication. It also often conducted through Webex or Google Meet. What we discuss on the Webex or Google Meet is specific individual part which will be discussed in face-to-face meeting. Second communication that we use is WhatsApp social media, which is allow us to communicate at work, and everyone agreed to respond in within the time is 24 hours. And a phone call will be made if some of our team members not respond within 24 hours. And the various documents about the project will be sent in the group WhatsApp. And the last team communication we use is telephone, which is most widely used outside of meeting. It is prompt responses to message or inquiries from one another is expected. And team members should advise the group in advance if unable to deliver a promises so that alternate agreement can be made in the team members. So that's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Greetings, sir. My name is Mung Deng with metric number 276945. My role in this project is system analyst. My responsibility is to design the project software system architecture based on the client requirements. Now I will talk about team goals. Our team goals is to provide opportunities for team members to diversify their skills, to leverage the strength of the team to boost productivity, and make sure to maximize team learning opportunities, and maintain good time planning to ensure team efficiency, and to discuss team members' strengths and weaknesses to identify methods of improvement. Set team values. Project leader must have good leadership and management skill. Project leader must also be able to manage, facilitate, and integrate the work of team members during the process of project development. Project team members. Project team members must have good teamwork among each other. They must be passionate to actively participate in every activity. They must also be self-reliant and must be tough when facing problems during the project development and ask for help if needed. Set team code of ethics. First one is respect. Team members will respect the different functional areas and the role of each member designated to that function. Trust. Team members must maintain basic trust and do not arbitrarily doubt or falsely accuse each other. Empathy. Team members must be mindful to understand the needs and moods of other team members.
Hello, my name is Yong Mun Kea. Metric number is 27X722. Now I will introduce my roles. My team roles position is usability analyst. My duty is to develop the team project testing strategy to ensure the successful of the project. Now, I will introduce about set rule and expectation. First, meeting rule. Our team will meet once per week to review and develop the progress of project. Minimum of 4 members must be present in each meeting. The meeting will start and end on time. Attendance at meeting. All member is required to attend every meeting. If a member is absent, the member must notify the team leader by WhatsApp or phone before the meeting starts. Team meeting will reschedule if more than one person cannot attend. Next, participation. Full participation in discussion is expected of all team members. If someone feels that others are not performing their duty well, a one-on-one offline discussion is possible with the relevant member. If that does not work, the member can raise that issue with the team leader. Conflict resolution. Team member must be patient and try to understand what other team members have said to prevent disagreement. If necessary, we follow the majority rule to resolve conflict immediately. Thank you. That's all.